Hi, I'm Rashmi. Today we are making puff pastry vegetarians. So I bought the puff pastry. It's like ready-made and it's frozen, right? But I leave outside for 1 hour, so it's going like this. Okay. So for the puff, we have the potato, peas, and carrot, almost half pound. Okay, it goes with all spice like fennel seed, half teaspoon, the whole coriander, garam masala, red chili flakes, turmeric. This one amchur powder. If you don't like amchur powder, you can add the lime juice. We have black salt here, and cilantro, and then I like the green chili and ginger also, salt and kasuri methi. This one homemade, I make it myself. Okay, let's start. Turn on the gas. Okay, just do everything on the medium heat. Don't put high heat, otherwise you burn all the spices. This is almost 2 tablespoons. Okay guys, fennel seed, cumin seed, then the whole coriander seed, and all spices like garam masala, red chili flakes, turmeric, and black salt, like pinch, and then amchur powder. Okay, and then ginger and chili, salt. You can add salt or your this, and then kasuri methi. All spices roasting nice. All veggie now. Mix it. So see, the all spice mixed together, and then just mash the potato. So it's you get the all veggies and spice taste together. Right now I'm adding cilantro. Lots of cilantro. I love cilantro. This one is stuff is done now. Okay, and still it is warm, so I leave for 10 minutes. Okay, so the pastry is here now, so I'm cutting in this way. Yeah. Okay, so I'm here, the one I have one part. Okay, so I'm putting like 1 spoon of this is the stuff. Okay, 1 stuff, and then this is water. I have the oil for the top all over. If you want more stuff, put more stuff, because it's stretchy, right? So okay, perfect, like more stuff. Okay, and then you need to brush with oil, make it all 9 like this. Okay, so everything ready with on top of, I put the oil. Okay, now in the oven it's like 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Okay guys, okay, so before I tell you like 20 minutes, but my oven is like a bigger one, so it's in within 15 minutes. You see there, oh, it's ready now. Because don't cook too much, it's a little bit pinkish like this. So good. The bottom side. Bottom is so hot. Yeah, nice, crunchy, pink. Ooh, puff with orange juice. Nice. You say breakfast, brunch, and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe me, please. Subscribe me and see you next time. Bye.